Do you keep finding yourself spending a lot of time trying to find new content ideas, editing old videos, or keeping up with the latest video trends? With just these few AI tools, you can speed up your production process, make breathtaking content with less effort, and always be one step ahead of the competition. Let's check them out. Number 1. Sora 2. Prepare to be astounded if you're unaware of Sora 2. More and more, people are realizing that this AI-powered technology will revolutionize the way videos are made. You can make movies with just a screenplay, or some words inputted into it. Videos made with Sora 2 have a professional feel, dynamic graphics, and expert editing because of its use of advanced deep learning techniques. With Sora 2's customization features, you can manage the style and speed of your video clips, making it perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, or even just enjoyable content. Its text-to-video integration makes it easy for people to focus on content creation rather than technical concerns, or if they struggle with editing. You can create a professional-looking video with no effort at all, due to the AI's suggestions for images and graphics that fit the mood and context of your screenplay. Number 2. Google VO. Google VO is different from other video making tools since it prioritizes search engine optimization and discoverability. This is the best tool to use if you want your films to have a high search engine ranking. To make sure your video is thoroughly optimized for Google's search algorithms, VO, or Video Engine Optimization, uses AI to examine both the video's content and its metadata, create compelling content, and make sure your videos are fully discoverable with Google VO. This AI-powered tool will assist you with every step of the process, from brainstorming potential keywords to writing search engine and human-friendly video descriptions. Plus, you can monitor your video's performance on many platforms with VO's built-in statistics. Number 3. Runway ML. Video editors and filmmakers seeking to add eye-popping visual effects and AI-powered editing tools have found Runway ML to be an indispensable tool. Runway ML stands out from the competition because it seamlessly incorporates machine learning into video editing. This makes it an essential tool for video editors of all skill levels. Runway ML is here to help you with all your video editing needs, be it real-time element replacement, advanced VFX, or background removal. It also allows you to automate boring but necessary editing processes like color grading and transitions. Plus, it's compatible with other well-known video editing programs, so you can keep using what you already have. Number 4. Haluo AI. Are you in need of a video assistant? Haluo AI is all you need. From brainstorming to editing, this AI tool handles everything in the video production process. With the use of deep learning, Haluo AI can analyze your video's structure and then apply expert editing techniques to enhance their flow, timing, and engagement. For producers who wish to enhance their video's quality without devoting an enormous amount of time to studying advanced editing procedures, it's an ideal solution. In a matter of minutes after you upload your raw video, Haluo AI will have improved it with seamless transitions, audio fixes, and automatic subtitles. For individuals with limited time, it's a revolutionary solution. Number 5. Pixverse. By combining artificial intelligence with virtual reality, Pixverse elevates the art of filmmaking. Using Pixverse is a must if you're dealing with 3D scenes or looking to incorporate virtual reality or VR features into your film. Without specialized knowledge of VR design, this AI tool enables users to create photorealistic 3D settings, characters, and animations. Virtual reality experiences and interactive content can be made by creators with this tool. Pixverse gives you limitless options, whether you're generating educational content, video games, or just want to give your ordinary films a futuristic vibe. Number 6. Pika. Storytelling is the foundation of every high-quality video. Pika is an artificial intelligence application that analyzes your material and suggests ways to improve the storyline, allowing you to construct interesting narratives. With Pika algorithms, you can fine-tune your story arc and keep your viewers engrossed from beginning to end, regardless if you're creating a corporate video, short film, or documentary. The artificial intelligence system at Pika will examine your script structure and provide feedback on its pace, character growth, and emotional tone. You can improve your video's emotional impact by using its real-time feedback on script and conversation aspects. We would recommend Pika to anyone who wants their videos to have a lasting impression. Number 7. Kling AI. Your search for a universal video editor ends with Kling AI. Whether you're live streaming or shooting a video on the move, Kling AI can instantly enhance the quality of your footage. Your footage will always seem professional, regardless of the equipment you're using, because the AI optimizes video resolution, lighting, and color balance using machine learning techniques. Whether you're using a cheap webcam or professional-grade camera, Kling AI will automatically enhance the video to perfection, removing the need for human interaction. If you're a live streamer, vlogger, or content creator in need of real-time video enhancement, this is the tool for you. Number 8. Luma AI. Dream Machine. Your most imaginative video concepts may become reality with little to no work at all using Luma AI. Luma is able to produce lifelike characters from a text prompt and make realistic animations and beautiful graphics using artificial intelligence. Taking things a notch further, the Dream Machine function lets you construct full 3D environments and universes using only a few phrases of description. Luma AI is an effective tool that allows you to create cinematic experiences or entire universes without the need for a large workforce. It's ideal for digital artists, independent filmmakers, and animation studios looking to push their creative boundaries and make their wildest dreams a reality. Number 9. Hyper AI. One of the best tools for digital marketers and entrepreneurs is Hyper AI, which focuses on creating video commercials for companies. In a matter of seconds, you can use Hyper AI to make Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube optimized personalized video ads. With this tool, you can make targeted, tailored content that ads can respond to by using client data to generate dynamic ads. Hyper AI streamlines the process by automating scripting and post-production, making it easy to make product demos, promotional films, or influencer-style advertising. Number 10. Pika Labs. One useful AI tool for making videos quickly and easily is Pika Labs. This tool makes it easy to convert your ideas into films quickly. Whether you're generating content for social media, TikTok, or YouTube clips, quick and easy content creation is made possible by the AI's ability to take your text or images and turn them into captivating short movies. Pika Labs is a great tool for creators who need to publish frequently on social media, but don't have the time to manually edit each post. Making entertaining and visually appealing videos has never been easier with this tool. Are you eager to test out any artificial intelligence tools? Leave a comment telling us. Plus, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to create a video tutorial or use case for one of these products specifically. Like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more videos like this. Keep growing!